Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain your AeroGarden. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using their AeroGarden. And then with that, you want to go ahead and maintain your AeroGarden. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way this works is that with your AeroGarden, I have a 6-pod version right over here. If you want to go ahead and maintain your AeroGarden, what you want to do is that you want to add plastic aluminum foil wraps around the pockets which you're not using. And the reason why you want to do that is because you don't want algae forming in these little waterfall beds that you see right there. So because I know lettuce tends to grow really fast and occupy a lot of roots, I have lettuce growing over here and I have lettuce growing over here. Now with that, the unused pods that you see right over here are actually covered with aluminum tinfoil square pieces that I just cut out. Now with that, this helps prevent algae from growing on the sides, just because even though these are unused, there actually is still watering pouring out of here, okay? There is water being poured out of there on a continuous cycled basis. But that is essentially how to maintain your AeroGarden, guys, is to cover up the holes which you're not using. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.